important discovery, that is, discovery of presence and absence of membrane-bound internal structures in protists. When more definitive observation of internal cell structure was made possible with the aid of the powerful magnification provided by electron microscopy, it was discovered that in some cells, for example, in typical bacteria, a nuclear substance was not enclosed by a nuclear membrane. In other cells, such as typical algae and fungi, the nucleus was enclosed in a membrane. This discovery, the absence of membrane-bound internal structures in one group of protists, that is, in bacteria, and the presence of membrane-bound internal structures in all others, that is, in algae, fungi, and protozoa, was a discovery of fundamental significance. Further research has revealed additional differences in the internal structure of these cells. These two cell types have been designated prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Organisms of each cell type are called prokaryotes and eukaryotes respectively. Bacteria are prokaryotic microorganisms. The eukaryotic microorganisms include the protozoa, fungi, and algae. Plants and animal cells are also eukaryotic. We should note one important thing here, that is, viruses are left out of this scheme of classification. Whittaker's five-kingdom concept. The five-kingdom classification was proposed by R.H. Whittaker. The system of classification is based on three levels of cellular organization, which evolved to accommodate three principal modes of nutrition: photosynthesis, absorption, and ingestion. The prokaryotes are included in the kingdom Monera. They lack the ingestive mode of nutrition. Unicellular eukaryotic microorganisms are placed in the kingdom Protista. The multicellular and multinucleate eukaryotic organisms are found in the kingdoms Plantae, Animalia, and Fungi. Their diversified nutritional modes leads to a more diversified cellular organization. Microorganisms are found in three of the five kingdoms, that is, in Monera, Protista, and Fungi. According to Whittaker's five-kingdom concept, bacteria and cyanobacteria are included in kingdom Monera. All single-celled eukaryotes, that is, microalgae and protozoa, are included in kingdom Protista. Heterotrophic, eukaryotic, multinucleate, multicellular, and unicellular fungi, for example, molds, mushroom, puffballs, yeast, etc., are included in kingdom Fungi. Multicellular green plants and higher algae are included in kingdom Plantae. Multicellular animals are included in kingdom Animalia. Friends, before concluding, I want to ask you one question. That is, I told you that kingdom Protista includes all single-celled eukaryotes. My question is that, why yeast is included in kingdom Fungi and not in kingdom Protista? With the hope that you will be answering my question, I am concluding my video here. See you soon in my next video. Thank you, friends.